Hey guys, today we are playing Subway Surfers. Enjoy the gameplay. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed that tune. We'll get the next one for the next bit. So enjoy. This is just getting started. This is round 1. Round 2 is about to start. So yeah, let's go round 2. Here's some more cool music, so enjoy. Or sounds, I don't get it. But yeah, enjoy, bye. Well guys, the song has ended and yeah, we're just gonna we'll put another one after this round. So let's just do this round quickly and then I'll put some more music on. So you can enjoy the gameplay for the next round. It's not long until we're gonna die. Oh, and we just died now, so yeah, I guess we'll see you in the next round. Okay, let's see how many coins we got quickly. Okay, never mind. Alright, we got a booster, nice. And then we got like 400 coins. Next game. Here's some more cool music, so let's go. Alright, here's some more cool music. Okay, well the music is over, guys, but we have to win, hopefully. We can't really win in this game, but we're just gonna try our best. How much do you think we can get, guys, before we start to lose? Let's find out. So make sure you watch to the end. But yeah. This will be our last game, guys, so if you watched to this far, then congrats, you're nearly there. It's a bit more. Do you think I'm good at this game or no? Oh, I got stuck. Oopsies. Well, like and subscribe for more, and we'll see you in the next one, guys. And yeah, and I hope you all enjoyed. Peace. Oh, we got a spray can. Anyways, bye.